Julie, this is the device you asked for. It has two little flip-in levers here that apply a downward force onto your specimen holder. The way you'll use it is just as before. You place the cover slip in the bottom of the ICD. You place the little sleeve on top of it and thread it down in place. So now it's all ready. Next, you'll take your preparation that you have on your device, place it down on top of here, and then just simply flip these things down. It applies the downward pressure and it gives you good registration on your specimen plane.